Alright, got a quick review of this professional guide medical kit by Adventure Medical Kits. Got this for my RV and wanted to see what was inside, so let's take a closer look. Here's a quick list. Get some measurements. This thing is about 10 inches long by about 8 inches wide and a little over 7 inches tall, so it's a pretty chunky boy. Let's go and take a look at the first panel. Essential section. Start off with some sunscreen. And then you get some antibiotic ointment. And then you got some povidone iodine. And sting bite pads and antiseptic towelettes. And there's a lot of it. And you also got glacier gel. And here we got some moleskin. And no shortage of different types of band-aids. And you get a wilderness guidebook to help you with what to do and what not to do in terms of wildlife. Also tells you what to do in certain situations. Here's a tool section. And stethoscope. Disposable scalpels. And digital thermometer. And you get 2 sets of shears. And you get some safety pins. And a syringe, and some zinc oxide, and 2 general vials. You get a splint, and you get a CPR mask, and cavity filling, and low blood sugar glucose powder, a gel, and some hydration salts, generic plastic bags. Alright, here we got ibuprofen, Metacidin D, APAP, and Diamode. And you also get 2 sets of adhesive bandages, and roller gauze, 2 sets of medical tape, and you get a whole bunch of trauma pads, different sizes. And last but not least, get some triangular bandages. And here we get some benzoin topical adhesive. So if you're camping, fishing, hiking, any kind of outdoor activity, traveling, RVing, bugging out, yeah, definitely get this medical kit.